Hey everyone, it's Riley, and today I'm going to be setting up for the month of December in my digital bullet journal. So the digital bullet journal that I'm using today is a preview, like a little sampler of the 2024 fully customizable digital bullet journal bundle that I have recently launched. And so basically how it's going to work for 2024 is each month you just take 30 to 60 seconds to choose from 25 different themes for that month, add it to your journal, and then you can also go in and customize your spreads. So do you want a Sunday start, Monday start, or list calendar? Do you want your weekly layout to be vertical, horizontal, or more of a schedule view? There are so many different ways that you can customize this bullet journal and make it work for you. So it's pretty much like having a bullet journal, but it's on your iPad, so you have the convenience of copying and pasting, duplicating, deleting, all that kind of stuff. And also, I've done the work for you, and it was a lot of work. So I hope that you guys will enjoy this planner. It is on a huge sale right now, and if you do buy the 2024 bundle, you will get the remaining months of 2023 for free, so that you can just hop in and start planning today. Or if you just want to buy the December planner that I'm using here, you can buy it on its own, just for $4 in my Etsy shop, in case you want to kind of test it out and see if you're interested in getting the whole 2024 bundle. So the links to those will be down in the description box below, but let's get into the planning. Do feel free to comment down below if you have any questions. So here's a quick glimpse of the November sampler for this journal and how I've been using it this month. It is kind of early in the month as I'm making this video, so I haven't used it a ton, but you can see in the November version, there's only one option for each type of page. So there's only one calendar layout, only one habit tracker layout, one weekly spread each week, and so on. But in December, you actually do get more of the like in-month customization, like you'll see in 2024. So for December, I'm going to show you a few of the pages right away, and I'll show you the rest at the end as I kind of do a final flip through. So for your calendar, you have three options: Sunday start, Monday start, or a list style calendar. I'm just going to get right to work on my Sunday start calendar here. And what I've been doing each month that has been working so well for me is just kind of looking at my monthly plans and making like a custom sticker sheet for that month. And I know this probably isn't a realistic possibility for everyone, but I've really been loving it. I've been doing it just in Canva because I have Canva Pro, so I can just quickly use whatever elements I want and then download it as a PNG with a transparent background. That's the key, and unfortunately, that's not an option if you only use the free version of Canva. However, there are, like free little background removal tools that I'm sure you could find if you wanted to do a similar thing. But basically, I just took elements on Canva and I wrote out some of my recurring events. So every Monday night, I have one of my friends hosts a little like girls movie night, and every Thursday morning, I go to a Moms and Tots group. And so those are the two kind of recurring events that I chose to make little like stickers for. And other than that, I kind of went into Canva and just found some cute little like Christmassy elements. I did change the colors to fit a little bit with the olive, like the color of the actual olives on this theme, but I also wanted to include some red to make it more obviously Christmassy, because I am a big fan of Christmas. It is my favorite time of the year, so I definitely wanted to bring that in to this journal without, making the whole theme of this journal be Christmas, because I know that not everybody, wants their whole digital planner for December to reflect Christmas. But that's what I've done. So you've seen me just pasting in my stickers from Canva, and now what I'm doing is just writing in a couple more events. So using the tools that come with GoodNotes, the highlighter tool and pen tool, to write in a few events. I honestly don't really have very many events in the month other than like my recurring things, at least not things that I know of in advance. Sometimes appointments or whatever will come up and I'll write those on my calendar at the time. But for now, I just have my recurring events, a Christmas celebration with my family, and a Christmas musical to go to. So that's how my calendar spread turned out. Moving on to the next spread, this is the monthly dashboard, and I'm going to go back to my November dashboard just to take a look at what I was planning and also to copy and paste this little template sort of thing in here. This is just for my kind of main tasks for the week. I've written like week 1, week 2, week 3, and then I try to film 2 videos, edit 2 videos, and upload 2 videos each week. And so that's what the task list is being used for instead of just writing out actual tasks. And then I'm just going in and writing out, some kind of big picture things for the month, my priorities, my goals, things like that I want to. I mean, honestly, I don't refer back to this page as much as I thought I would, but hopefully it's useful for you guys in the future. Now, as we're going through this, I will mention if there are other pages that you would like to be using on a regular basis, things like a year in pixels or like a TV show tracker or reading log, things like that. I do have all of those pages. They're not included in the monthly spreads, but they are included in the yearly collections. So if you are interested in seeing more about that, I will link to a video where I just kind of show you all of the things involved with the 2024 digital bullet journal, because there are a few different yearly collections that you can import into your journal. Things for like productivity, finance, wellness, lifestyle, stuff like that. And they include a bunch more pages that you can duplicate, drag around, put wherever you want in your journal, use as many of them as you want or not use them at all. Of course, the choice is totally yours. And yeah, that was kind of my goal with the monthly kind of bundles, was just to include some of the basics. So a basic, calendar, a dashboard to kind of just see an overview of what you're trying to do that month, habit tracker. Next, you'll see the mood tracker here, just some basics. And then things that kind of go beyond that basic level are included in the collections. So if you're looking, for a step counter or a place to log your workouts or, things like that, a place to track your finances monthly and yearly. Those kinds of things are included in the yearly collections, which you can also import into your journal just like you would a monthly theme. So that concludes my little monthly setup here. I do want to flip through the remaining pages in this journal so that you can see. So there are 2 different options for your task list spread, one with sections, one without, 3 different memories pages. Then we get into the weekly spreads, and each week there are 3 different options. I think I'll probably settle on that middle one there, but I'm not totally sure. So there's the vertical one that you can see, the horizontal one, and then more of a schedule view of your whole week. And the daily spreads have 2 options as well. Thank you so much for joining me for another digital bullet journaling video today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to head to my Etsy shop if you're interested in trying out this bullet journal for yourselves.